Good morning, hoppers. A very interesting feature about today's video is that the seating is going to be different than what I explained in my how to find your seat video, so stay tuned. Next step, board the plane. Okay, so today I am flying premium economy. I paid a little bit extra for this because it's a very long flight and you want to be a little bit more comfortable. Seat is 51K. Cool. That was easy. We didn't have to look at anything. So this seat was in the front of the plane, so I really didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to move or anything. I didn't have to walk because it's the second row of the front. We're sitting in premium economy today. I did pay a little bit extra for it, but let me show you what it looks like. I'm really glad I did it because it's a very long flight. It's 10 hours and it's very spacious. It's more comfortable. There's a lot more leg room. So if you have a long flight, it's worth, I think it was like 50, 30, something like that. I think it's worth it. Okay, as always in all flights, you get headphones, you get a blanket, and you get a pillow for these long flights. Now what's different is that there's a lot of leg room, a lot, okay? They also give you a lot of space. These seats are really wide seats, and you get a little kit here of like toiletries and stuff. The TV screen is further away, so you're not like right here watching TV, which is what normally happens in the economy seats. So I have plenty of room. The tray table is here versus here. They also give you water, and there's a footrest too. They also have a compartment here to like put little things like your phone. And they give you orange juice.
Wenn Sie etwas in die Fächer über den Sitzen verstauen, achten Sie. Sollte der Druck in der Kabine sinken,
we're ready for takeoff. It's a 380 and this plane is different. It's much bigger, it has 2 floors, and the distribution is a little different. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I'm going to show you how the seating works here. I've shown you before, like in the back of the plane in economy, but now I'm going to show you what it looks like in premium economy. There are a few seats missing and it can be confusing for some people. You have seats A, B is missing, and then you have C. Then you have D and E, F and G. Then on the other side you have H, you would have J, but that's missing, and then you have K. I don't know if I ever mentioned it, but they don't have I, so I is eliminated normally. Another thing we have on premium economy is a power source. We can actually plug in our computers and stuff. Okay, I was just given a customs declaration form. I'm going to go over it really briefly. You always get this mid-flight. Okay, you could fill 1 out per family. We're having a little bit of turbulence right now, so it's going to be a little shaky. So basic questions like where you're going to stay, passport number, etc., etc. And then they ask you, it's not the best time to film this, they ask you if you have any fruits, vegetables, plants, seeds, foods, meats, animals, agents, cell cultures, snails. If you've been near livestock, if you have more than $10,000 on you, if you have any commercial merchandise, etc., etc. And I suggest you say no to all of these things. And then in the back, there's a section where you can calculate the total amount of articles that you're bringing into the United States. So here you would list, like, I don't know, if you buy clothes or if you buy books or whatever you're bringing into the United States. And then you have the value of it and then the total. A little suggestion, try and keep it under $100. Just saying. So they won't look in your bag, sneaky little me. Okay, and then this total that's less than $100, you put over here where it says visitors or residents, whatever you are. And then you sign it, that's it. And they just told me that I could walk around the plane if I want, not in first class in business. Okay, hoppers, we're going to land in 30 minutes, so I wanted to give you my opinion of the Lufthansa Premium Economy. I think it's excellent. I think it's well worth the money. The seats are spacious. I mean, this whole trip was very comfortable. You could like move to one side, move to the other. There's plenty of leg room. When you eat, it's spacious too. You get to pick between two different meals. The service was very, very good, and I think overall I would most definitely get it again. Definitely. It was great. I'm never going to go back to coach, I swear. Coach is awful.
To clear immigration. Any luggage which has been checked through to your final destination will be transferred automatically. Only your hand baggage must be cleared by US Customs. Thank you.
Okay, once you get to the Miami International Airport, they're very strict about cameras and phones, so I will not be able to film anything. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to immigration. They ask you a few questions, no big deal. Then we're going to go to baggage claim, you pick up your bag, and then you go to customs. And then you go out. So that's the procedure. I can't film it, I'm sorry. enjoyed this video. I will be filming a little bit in Miami and other places in the Caribbean. And I look forward to seeing you guys real soon in the next video. You know the way, right? See you. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Miami, ladies and gentlemen. For your own safety, please remain seated until we have reached our final parking position and the engines have been turned off. The entire crew would like to say goodbye to you now. Thank you very much for choosing Lufthansa and Star Alliance today. We wish you now a pleasant and safe onward journey, or have a nice stay here in Florida.